In this quick tutorial, I will show you a very simple way to convert an image to text. For example, I like an excerpt from this book and would like to copy it. The only way I can do quickly is to take an image of the page. If I wanted to use this excerpt somewhere, I need to type the whole thing. That is a very simple way to convert this image to text. It is a nifty feature of one of my favorite apps, Google Keep. This is an awesome note-taking tool by Google. All you need to do is to first add an image or take a photo from Google Keep into a new note. I prefer to first take the image from the camera because you can crop it to the sections you are interested in. If you take the photo from Google Keep, you may not have the option to select a particular part of the image. Once it is uploaded into the note, you will get an option of Grab Image Text. Press it and voila! The image is now converted to text. You can use this like any text by copying, pasting or editing as you want. I hope that this tip is going to be useful for you. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Till next time, ciao.